Sri Ramachandran Pillai is one of the outstanding performers of Kathakali, who can perform different roles like Pacha, Katti and Minukku with equal mastery. He has received his advanced training in Kathakali from the great Guru Mankulam Vishnu Nambudiri, an outstanding performer as well as contributor to Kathakali. The scene being enacted today is taken from the play Kiradam. During the period that they were in exile in the forest, the Pandava brothers and Draupadi suffered many hardships. Early in their stay there, Vyasa, the great sage, came to visit them and advised Arjuna to go to the Himalayas and perform penance to Lord Shiva in order to secure from him the divine arrow, Pashupata, a powerful weapon which would be necessary to help them in the forthcoming war with Kauravas. In the scene being enacted today, Arjuna sets out towards the Himalayas to do penance to propitiate Lord Shiva. He sees Mount Kailasa, the home of Shiva, and is enraptured by its beauty and grandeur. Arjuna is soon engrossed in deep meditation to get blessings from Lord Shiva. He wears a mantle made of tree barks, puts holy ash on his body and stands on one leg and starts tapas. Now, over to the performance.
യാത്ര ചൊല്ലിട്ടു പാർത്ഥൻ ഭയമൊഴിയെ നടന്നാൻ ഉത്തരാശ വിലോക്യ സ്വയമിതി ഗിരികന്യാ ഗിരികന്യാ വല്ലഭം ഭക്തിപൂർവം ജയ ജയ പരമേശ പാഹി എന്നു ചൊല്ലി പരമേശ പാഹി പാഹി മാം സന്തതം സ്വാമിൻ പരമേശ പാഹി പാഹി മാം സന്തതം സ്വാമിൻ പരമേശ പാഹി പാഹി മാം சந்ததம் ஸ்வா